kids! Welcome to our wild animal adventure. Today, we're going to learn the names of some amazing animals and how to spell them. Are you ready? Let's go! A cormorant bird spreading its wings. Look at this cool bird. It's a cormorant. Can you say cormorant? C-O-R-M-O-R-A-N-T. Cormorant. A spoonbill bird with a long spoon-shaped beak. Here's a funny bird with a big beak. It's a spoonbill. Can you say spoonbill? S-P-O-O-N-B-I-L-L. Spoonbill. A gannet flying high above the ocean. This is a gannet. Can you say gannet? G-A-N-N-E-T. Gannet. A small warbler bird perched on a tree branch. Here's a tiny bird that sings beautifully. It's a warbler. Can you say warbler? W-A-R-B-L-E-R. Warbler. A hoopoe bird with its crown of feathers raised. Check out this amazing bird with a crown. It's a hoopoe. Can you say hoopoe? H-O-O-P-O-E. Hoopoe? A tern soaring over the ocean. This sleek bird is a tern. Can you say tern? T-E-R-N. Tern. A magpie hopping around with its long tail. Here's a black and white bird. It's a magpie. Can you say magpium? A-G-P-I-E. Magpie. A bright yellow and black oriole perched in a tree. Last but not least, here's a colorful oriole. Can you say oriole? O-R-I-O-L-E. Oriole. Great job, kids. You learned the names and spellings of some awesome animals today. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun learning videos. See you next time.